Hello, in front of me I've got NFL 26. In this video I'll show you how to adjust lineup in franchise. In the beginning, let's go to franchise and select manage team. Enter adjust lineup. And here you can adjust offense, defense, special teams and specialists. To reorder players, press and hold X and use up and down buttons to reorder. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.